Hi everybody and welcome to the Laid Back Show, episode 20. We are both finally here in Karachi after Awab's grand tour of Chile.
And your tour of the US यार क्या बात है अपने अपने वाले यार दूसरों को भूल जाते हैं यार
Family vacation यार तुम तो अकेले गए थे पता नहीं क्या करने वहाँ पे.
well हमारे
स्टोरी बता दो सैंटियागो में क्या क्या हुआ.
Actually Sana and I went. Sana spoke on the topic of Pakistan's censorship etc. And but 5 days of good fun. And we came back in 6-7 days.
And this was Global Voice.
Global Voices का summit था in Chile in 2010 का summit था. Met great number of people and thoroughly enjoyed. तुम्हारा अमेरिका की ट्रिप कैसा?
It's great यार. It was a family vacation. बच्चे.
We stayed in Dallas.
दुबई गए थे 3-4 दिन के लिए फिर डालस गए फिर बस इधर घूम रहे हैं मॉलों में really family trip. Yeah.
And you're alone.
And the best thing was I switched off for about 22 days. No writing, nothing. So that was a very, very relaxing time. And yeah, I'm alone here till the end of June.
Are you writing for which papers right now?
I'm writing for the Dawn blog, I'm writing for the Friday Times, and now I've been invited to write for the Express Tribune as well. So देखें क्या होता है.
Good.
क्या होता है.
ये content ज़्यादा लिखना है, you're neglecting the blog.
Actually, I just use the articles that I write to put them up on my blog now. तो अब मगर यार हाँ you're right. मैं इसीलिए सोचा था यार कितना लिख सकता है आदमी. And I want to focus.
I think you're doing good because you're doing good professional stuff and you're putting it on the blog. So it's the same thing. You still.
But now I'm even trying to make an effort. जैसे मैं पिछले 1.5 हफ्ते में क्या I've written like 4 posts, छोटे posts, just to like keep the thing rolling and to keep my presence there because वो सिर्फ आप articles लिखो तो कुछ लोगों के लिए अच्छा होता है but for some it becomes boring. वो personal style थोड़ा उसमें से निकल जाता है ना क्योंकि आपको पता फिर articles में क्या होता है. Rant तो नहीं कर सकते आप.
The minute you came back, the next day you were at the Blog Awards.
हाँ man, that was my first day at work and it was a tremendous show.
तुम जल्दी क्यों भागे? तुमने कहा कि
मुझे
अवार्ड नहीं मिलना मैं जा रहा हूँ.
पहला दिन था काम पे भाई मेमन भाई 22 दिन के बाद आया है खर्चा करके.
And we won.
Mashallah, we won a trophy and you won for political blogger as well. And I thought it was a great show. बस मुझे जल्दी भागना पड़ा क्योंकि मुझे काम पे पहुंचना था पहला दिन था. और there was no choice in that. So sorry about that. I didn't end up meeting a lot of people. But ये था कि जिनके साथ मिला it was really nice. And I met Rayazlan, I met Shobh, I met him before. फरहान से मुलाकात हुई और भी बहुत सारे लोग मिले जो normally मिलते रहते हैं but कुछ नए लोग भी मिले.
And it was good to meet you. And that's and all these guys had come by bus. So पता नहीं कहाँ पर by.
Yeah, Rayazlan traveled from I think Lahore for like 20 hours or something. Dedication.
But somehow the blog awards were well appreciated, but the conference part was a little.
नहीं, I thought that Jingois के post की आप बात कर रहे हैं, तो उस पे जो post लिखा है, I thought that was his own opinion, expressed rather naively because he took some names.
Yeah.
But aside from that, a lot of his opinions are somewhat valid. थोड़ा बहुत तो यार गलती किसी से भी हो जाती है. कोई भी जिस तरह मैं उसको कह रहा था कि कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइज करेगा तो you cannot please everybody. It's a 4-man or 5-man jury.
Grammy और ऑस्कर में भी होता है कोई इलेक्ट हो जाता है जो नहीं जीतते वो रोते हैं.
These aren't exactly the Oscars either, so it's not that big of a deal. But you know what? He put up 3 points, main points जो मुझे लगे. एक तो ये कि वो जो टेक ब्लॉगर्स को सबको अवार्ड दे दिया तो वो थोड़ा सा जो समझ में नहीं आए. तो उसके लिए ऐसा करते हैं कि हम हमारे टेक ब्लॉगर को लाइव कॉल में लाते हैं and let's see what he has to say about this. क्या ख्याल है?
Good. I think उसके बाद फिर I think we're thinking about talking to Sana also. Why don't you start dialing so we can.
We will talk to Sana as well. So we'll talk to Sana about the special category.
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum, Farhan Chawla साहब. You're on LBS.
अरे क्या नहीं हो रहे?
बस ठीक ठाक. आप कैसे हैं सर?
कहाँ से सर?
Enjoy कर रहे हैं अपना अवार्ड?
हाँ, अवार्ड enjoy किया, it was fun.
Yeah, what did you think of the whole thing?
Sir, it was the first step towards the decision of blogger. I thought इसका बढ़ेगा और बेहतर होता रहेगा, but again, it was good. ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए for bloggers पाकिस्तान.
But ये बताओ कि what's your comment on distributing the awards to 4 or 5 bloggers? What was your reaction to that? Was that?
It was kind of awkward. They should have divided among different categories. One demo should have gotten for telephone. I think they put something else. Putting all put together in the same category and announcing 4 of them was kind of just want to get done with it.
तो मुझे एक बात बताओ, तुम बोलो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड करके हर एक को देना चाहिए था, फिर भी तो पॉइंट तो वही हुआ. मैं तो चाह रहा था कि तुम में से एक को मिले ना, कोई तो एक अच्छा होगा जिसने कोई डेफिनेटली कोई एज होगा उसका, राइट?
कैटेगरी में डिवाइड हो सकता है. Yahoo talks about iPhone and iPad, put it on that side. Apple के बारे में टेलीफोनी का मोबाइल कम्युनिकेशन तो वहाँ पर आ गया. आर्टिफिशियल डिफरेंट talks about OSs. Windows 7 हो गया, Google Chrome हो गया, उससे बात करेगा. बाकी दोनों की अपनी स्पेशलिटी, just divide them over there. हर एक अपने अपना एरिया में they are doing good. So that would be much better in front of other people communicating, giving a opinion about all four of them.
तो तुम क्या एंड तक थे? You saw the whole thing. What did you think of the whole setup? सब कुछ overall कैसा लगा?
Even people were looking at them and thinking what's happening when you say okay, the tech about going to the 4 people and then एक के बाद एक बुलाते रहे.
हाँ.
Why 4? अगर 4 tech के हो सकता है, 1 and 4 in technical blogging. Why 4? 1 not 4 political blogging.
हाँ, मुझे क्यों नहीं मिला यार? मुझे क्यों अवार्ड? राबिया मुझे क्यों नहीं मिला अवार्ड यार? मेरे अंदर कीड़े हैं क्या यार? इनको सबको दे दिया, 4 लोगों को दे दिया, मुझे 2 लोगों को नहीं दिया करंट अफेयर्स में यार. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ फरहान के एक और वन मोर थिंग आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू वाज के व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द अनकॉन्फ्रेंस बिट?
The unconference event was it was of no use for anyone. I mean, hardly 4 or 5 people were listening to them. Besides them, all the bloggers were busy with their own phones and their own laptops.
तो ब्लॉगर तो हमेशा बिजी होते हैं फोनों के साथ यार.
I believe that this.
अभी आपको मैं एक वाकया बताऊं ब्लॉगर के बारे में कि वो इतने बिजी थे अपने फोन के साथ कि उनकी फैमिली में से कोई सामने से निकला उन्होंने पहचाना ही नहीं उसको. मैं नाम नहीं ले सकता वरना खून हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, बट ये अभी हुआ है 10-15 मिनट पहले की बात है.
मैं फरहान ये बताओ कि what's the new technology that's coming off and what are you reviewing recently, latest?
Yeah, right now I'm playing with the iPad. I'm installing new software on it and just jailbroken it and working on it.
अच्छा मुझे बता को वर्ड प्रोसेसर के लिए iWorks के अलावा मिला तुम्हें कोई iPad पे?
iWork पे for the office use मेरे पास फकत कीनोट iWork के तीनों सॉफ्टवेयर मेरे पास चल रहा है.
नहीं उसके अलावा कोई है बाहर आउट देयर?
हाँ?
उसके अलावा कोई है वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग का एप्लीकेशन इस पे?
Yeah, business के लिए इसके लिए good reader चल रहा है for PDF. मेरे पास 4 if you want to तुमने jailbroken किया नहीं किया दिया?
नहीं अभी तक तो आया ही नहीं यार, अभी तो हमसे सुन रहे हैं क्या आ गया. But I was just wondering कि
उसका लिफाफा आया है, उसका कीबोर्ड आया है, बाकी लैपटॉप वो नहीं है.
और अवाब is doing his level best to make sure कि आए ही नहीं
आ रहा है. Got the keyboard iPad वहीं रह गया. I'll tell you mine, you play with it. उसमें तक बनाया को 9 applications.
चलो यार, good talking to you. You are our first live caller on LBS. तो इंशाल्लाह फिर बात होती रहेगी. Thank you यार.
Thank you.
Thank you.
तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल था यार?
Yeah, I believe the unconference bit was off. I mean, unconference, the word was wrong.
अच्छा डिप्लोमेसी बंद करो ना. मुझे बताओ अवार्ड के बारे में तुम्हारा क्या?
अवार्ड्स तो यार मुझे मिल गया है ना.
तुमको तो मिलना था. You were the only one in your category.
It was greediness also कि भाई मिल गया तो सुकून है. But I believe कि बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को सब डिवाइड करते रहे and इतने लोगों को एक्स्ट्रा अवार्ड्स दिए maybe to appease them. But
I don't think to appease them. I think it was to appreciate them.
I appreciate them, but I think what Rabia has naturally, her nature is the fact कि वो सबको खुश रखती है. अच्छा उसमें बस वही हुआ कि वो उन सबको खुश रखने के लिए she might have compromised on one standard.
But do you think
अगले साल नहीं कर सकती?
I don't think it was up to Rabia. Don't you think? Because 4 times
breaking up.
Yeah, jury थी और jury हर एक को तो नहीं please कर सकती. So you know, I mean.
And the next caller we hope to get on is Sana Salim. She's right now hoofing it out in Islamabad. And
doing what? ये भी बता दे no.
She's doing it. Take back the tech, women's activism के.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा. मैरियट में जबरदस्त किस्म की पार्टी हो रही है. इस्लामाबाद में 5 लोग यहाँ से गए हैं हंगामा करने के लिए. बाकी सारी बातें बकवास. फेमिनिज्म कॉन्फ्रेंस ये 8 लोग बैठे हुए आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं. फेमिनिज्म कॉन्फ्रेंस हो गई. बहुत गालियाँ सुनेंगी जानारा से. कोई बात नहीं, जो सच है हमको सच बोलना है जैसे आप बोलते हैं फेसबुक पे.
रात को 12 बजे कौन उठाएगा फोन
यार? ब्लॉगर कोई नहीं सोता यार. कम ऑन.
और मैरिड का बिस्तरा होगा कौन
उठाए थोड़ी पार्टी हो रही होगी वहाँ पे सब साथ हैं. अब I don't know if she's not gonna pick up the phone, so we're gonna take सरफराज खान next. तो मजे की बात आएगी, सरफराज खान को हम मिलाएंगे और बीच में इनका फोन आएगा.
हेलो,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सरफराज खान साहब.
यार मैं तो सो गया था.
तो यार अब उठ जाओ यार. कैसे ब्लॉगर हो यार? LBS पे आप लाइव कॉल पे और आप सो रहे हो यार.
LBS पे लाइव कॉल पे हो?
You're on camera right now man.
Alright. हाँ.
अच्छा उठ गए सर आप? पानी वानी लाऊं आपके लिए?
पानी वानी लेके आओ भाई, सब कुछ ला दो.
अच्छा तो ये बताएं
सर, a quick and easy question. How was the Blog Awards in your opinion?
हाँ?
Blog Awards कैसे थे?
Hold on.
तो पूरा खानदान उठाए साथ साथ।
टीवी की आवाज बंद कर दें।
क्वाइट जगह पे आ जाओ जरा।
वो बोलते ना शो कैसे बोलते, टीवी की आवाज जरा स्लो कीजिए।
हाँ आप बोलो।
सर ये ब्लॉग अवार्ड्स आपके राय में कैसे थे? व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन ऑन दैट?
Blog Awards, it was a good first time effort for us. जहाँ तक selection और award giving the that process should have been much more transparent than it was. Most of the awards, उसके अंदर criteria of selection कुछ समझ नहीं आया लोगों को। ठीक है, तो there was a feeling kind of competition. The award was given to the favorite speakers because personally लोग जानते थे जिनको।
अच्छा, तो सरफराज साहब आप ये मुझे बताएंगे, हाउ डू यू थिंक दे कैन मेक दिस प्रोसेस मोर ट्रांसपेरेंट? आपके ख्याल से क्या लैकिंग था?
ये इसके अंदर जो वोटिंग का तरीका होना चाहिए था, तो दैट वुड हैव बीन लाइक एवरीबॉडी शुड हैव हैड अ काउंट ऑफ वोट जिन लोगों ने उनको सिलेक्ट किया गया था, और उनका ग्राफ एस्पेक्ट दिखा देना चाहिए था against the same category people, and that should have been very simple. किसी के अगेंस्ट 1 वोट आया तो मदद जाना चाहिए था, किसी के अगेंस्ट 500 वोट कास्ट हुए तो मदद जाना चाहिए था। That would have been good simple because it was done by the award was conducted by CIO, and I think कि उनके पास इतना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ऐसा मौजूद होना चाहिए जिसके अंदर वो ऑनलाइन डिस्प्ले हो सकते थे जो कंटेस्टेंट्स के वोट थे।
Makes valid sense because I think जो मैं जो ब्रास क्रेसेंट अवार्ड में आई वन इन 2009, आज उसमें ये था सीधा साधा था कि there was one voting slip, that means एक ईमेल से you would cast categories for the 10 categories, you would vote once only, और उस ईमेल से रजिस्टर्ड हो whoever got the most votes regardless of आपने जिसने अपने आप को ज़्यादा पॉपुलर किया whatever, बट उस वोटिंग कैटेगरी में जो
जिसको ज़्यादा वोट मिले जनरल पब्लिक जो जीत गया।
That's simple as that. और एक उन्होंने ये किया था कि they didn't have, you could not vote one category, you had to vote all categories. तो एक प्रमोट बंदा एक अपना करता है तो उस अल्टीमेटली वोट पड़ता है सारे 10 कैटेगरीज में।
तो असलम खान साहब मुझे ये बताइए, एक और सवाल मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि हाउ डिड यू फील अबाउट द होल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? जरा जोर से बोलिएगा। हेलो,
कट गया। चलो let's continue on. We shall call him later. What is your opinion on जो बारिशें शुरू हुई? तुम्हारा ज़ियर ठीक ठाक रहा?
वेल बारिशों में मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। लाइट्स गई थी बस थोड़े टाइम के लिए। ये हेलो,
हाँ we lost the signal.
हाँ we lost the signal। हम ये पूछे था आपसे सर कि ये what did you think about the overall organization?
वो कॉन्फ्रेंस वाला जो
हाँ, कॉन्फ्रेंस अनकॉन्फ्रेंस जो थी, डिस्कशन जो थे, उनके बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल?
Yeah, frankly speaking, those was a whole lot of time wastage.
बोरिंग थे ना बहुत?
हाँ, all together. क्योंकि there was these were unmoderated, properly organized नहीं थे, और इतना haphazard था कि people lost interest while going through them. Frankly speaking, I saw a lot of people take tea breaks during those unconference things.
मैं आपको भी देख रहा था, बार बार फोन के बहाने से बाहर चला जाता था।
And frankly speaking, that the topics they had chosen, they were not of any interest to any of the people. मुझे ये बताओ IPTV के ऊपर प्रॉब्लम या उस तरह की चीजों को डिस्कस करने की क्या जरूरत थी उस ब्लॉगिंग अवार्ड में? बहुत ठीक है ना?
सही। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम।
I think that was just too many ideas put together in one
in 5-hour session, 5 घंटे का सेशन, was too long.
Right.
So thank you very much, sir. I wish you all the best and have a good sleep, sir.
And thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
We'll be talking inshallah.
Inshallah.
So there you go. Well, there was another event I attended as well.
That's right. TEDx,
and I thought that was quite brilliant. हालांकि कुछ लोग अभी भी, and some people are never happy. But वो ये बात हो रही है, elitist था, सिर्फ 300 लोगों को क्यों बुलाया? तो अरे भाई, something has to start somewhere.
Well, you can't actually, हुआ ही होता ही है 300 या 400 लोग हों, the bigger audience you have, the more problems that you don't get personal. So I think वो जो हमारा जो elitist हमने बड़ी कोशिश की, we are very
No, I thought it was very well organized. एक दो speakers थोड़े off थे tangent पे, but overall the effect was very very positive. और मैं इतना cynical आदमी हूँ, जब मैं जाके positive होके निकल सकता हूँ, so I am the first to critique anything, especially when he's concerned. So बिला वजह की भी तो you know, अगर मैं जब खुश होके निकल सकता हूँ कि हाँ यार कुछ फील हुआ है कुछ हुआ.
I think it was much. Even till now, about 5 or 6 days, even beyond, जो articles हम पढ़ रहे हैं, people have come out with a positive note, and I hope that we can put this into good use in universities and colleges also, because वहाँ youth वहाँ से start.
So tell us, are you going to upload the videos?
We are inshallah in about a week and a half. We are going to do it by speaker to speaker. एक हम पहले सोच रहे full करें, full में हम do people don't take interest.
हाँ.
तो I
going to do segments
को हम upload करेंगे. I think probably starting
bonus करना जरूरी नहीं upload करना.
You don't like bonus, and the interesting part was everyone has. I mean, there's some people who actually came to me and said Monis was the best speaker.
वो हर एक का
different, and I'm glad that we were able to cater to all spectrums of people. कि जो art critic उसने जोशिंदर ने अगर संभालना किसी तरह से, या Asad Rizvi talked about motivational, Asad Umar talked about technology.
Tell me, you were telling me a couple of days ago over coffee somewhere that anybody can do this. Anybody can get a license. You can do a TED Kalsas or a TED Lahore.
Actually, the only restriction that is there is basically if you have not attended a TED conference, which I have, you can't do more than 100 people gathering.
ठीक है.
अच्छा, I've attended, so I could do 400, 500 people.
So basically, अगर आप छोटी gathering भी करना चाहें, उसमें TED Talk चलाना चाहें,
to TEDx@TED.com. वहाँ Laura Stein है, who is the person who runs that program. Email her. You want it, you have to commit on a date. You have got to sign a certain regulations. उनके online चीजें पड़ी हुई हैं, उन regulations आप meet किए. इसमें advertising issue है, financial disclosures
तो
है.
ये तो बाकायदा पूरा टी पार्टी किस्म का सीन हो सकता है यार. जैसे अमेरिका में 1900s में टी पार्टी पे आइडिया स्प्रिंग हुए थे.
And to be honest with you, this is what is needed in Pakistan. You need to organize smaller events, and ultimately as a TEDx.
यार हम लोग कितनी 100 लोगों की दावतों में जाते हैं यार, फजूल के डिनर for no apparent reason. उसमें कहीं
but you know the level of commitment that has to be given in TED.
Obviously, tell us something about the work that you guys put in, because I understand you were working for 2 months straight.
Yeah, with 6 weeks. 6 weeks was the entire straight. We hired 2 managers, and there was a team of 5 people.
They were proper event managers? Yeah.
No. These were college students, volunteers who came in, and the thing was that since उनकी guidelines इतनी strict थी, and we had also been there, so we were actually TED India को हम replicate करना चाह रहे थे, and माशाल्लाह Chris was sitting there, and he actually said, the curator, and he said this is better than, is as comparable to anywhere TED. I mean, it was so inspirational, and mashallah we were able to pull out, and I think speakers were
and I think the best part was I was sitting way back in the audience, and I was maybe
the third
80 feet away from the screen. I could see everything perfectly. मतलब इतना करीब से सब देख सकते.
The mistake that we did was still the screen was smaller. I think we have to have the screen bigger, and
अगर full size होती तो और अच्छा नजर आता.
The other thing that was going to cost us money was basically LCD panels on either side in the half stage, but that was going to cost us money about 80,000-90,000 per screen, and that was if we had the screens we would have done it. That's no issue. The biggest impact that I believe that we made was live streaming going to 1,000 people more. है ना, एंड ये हमारे सारे इवेंट्स तो हमारे नहीं, सारे इवेंट्स पाकिस्तान में बहुत सारे हमने टेड जो अपने ट्वीट अप्स भी किए थे और लाइव स्ट्रीम करने की नहीं होता. आई थिंक देयर शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग कमिटमेंट कि लाइव स्ट्रीम होना चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन सोशल मीडिया कैन ओनली इंटरैक्ट विद लाइव स्ट्रीम.
और लाइव स्ट्रीम बहुत अच्छा हुआ इस बार, and that was because you guys had blocked off the branded, right? There was no Wi-Fi available.
Well, you were offering to bring your own Wi-Fi. I said वो हम कर सकते हैं, but we had 1 MB upstream by Wi-Tribe, and they were kind enough to provide it for free of cost. Faisal Khan, NetAccess का जो था, who set up the server and all that, and these guys pulled through for us, and I hats off to.
And I thought the whole community came together in a very nice way. Rabia was tweeting at the back, Aisha was tweeting in the front, everybody was there, and it was very nice.
And the best part was Bose के sound system. Bose came in and free of charge. The guy Roman from.
And let's not forget Coke Studio. I think you were telling me Rohel.
I emailed Rohel. He said, please. I went to his office. He gave me special collector's editions DVDs. जिसके जो हमने play की, it was not those ones that were downloaded. They were special collector's editions. The remastered edition. And he had especially said call that, and that was, I think, that gave a good touch to the breaks and in between that. Signing off on the 20th edition of Laid Back Show. This is Faisal Kapadia, Awab Alvi, signing off on you.
And guys, thank you for giving us this.
Absolutely.
And this is all because of you guys. If you hadn't provided your thoughts, this was the no naam show to begin with. We didn't even have a name. And it's all because of what you guys have done for us and supported us. So thanks a lot. And keep those ideas coming. Thank you.